Hi. Okay. Welcome. I will believe this is the first time I meet you, and we are already in the almost the end of first term. Where you got the term test. Just want to check. Do you have any tests coming up next week
Yeah,
or which day?
next week, the teacher haven't told me yet.
Do you know what topic?
He tested on factors, multiples, whole numbers, rounding off.
I'm gonna give a quick test on multiples timetable later.
My one is factors and multiple.
Factors and multiples. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna start the lesson. Whoever is gonna be late, they will have to play back. Now, hopefully you all have your worksheet. Just make sure, Hadi, if you're the first one, the first time meeting me, usually my recommendation or advice is that you keep a maths notebook. Okay, that's for you to write all your formulas down. Write any examples of word problems that you think are challenging and would be a common question or word problem question that will come out in the exam. So look at it, make it like a model example, and you can refer to it every now and then. All right, let's take a look at the first one. So we're going to revise on our whole numbers and especially problem sum. Valerie, you're making me very dizzy. Are you okay?
The camera thing dropped off.
Oh, okay. My notebook. I also have a notebook. Okay, it's for my own use to see. Let me just check who are the people that's supposed to come, but haven't showed up. Today is Sunday. Yeah, they're supposed to. They probably will take their own time. Okay, anyway. So let's take a look at your first one. Those who, now you can practice your pen, the digital pen to write if you want. Okay. Which fraction of your following figure is shaded? I want, since there's both of you right now at the moment, can you all take a spot on the slide, write down your answer. What do you think the answer is for each one? You can practice your digital pen. Go on to the Zoom function where you got the mute stop video, all the way until you see a pen which says annotate.
Yeah.
Okay, click on that, and then you should be able to write. You can choose. First one. Oh, my tissue.
This is the one.
I think your camera isn't not working because it's a very dark screen. I think.
It's just working.
Sorry?
I have a camera.
Oh, you don't have a camera. Oh, okay.
I have the camera. Let me just turn it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use a different color, blue. So if you see, you've got those little triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. And also there are bigger triangle outside around the corners. If you actually divide them, into half, my line is not gonna be straight. Into half. Oh my. Oops, sorry. Am I still, can you all still see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
I accidentally clicked something. I'm trying to draw a straight line. Okay, so you can see if I divide the bigger triangle into half as well, you see the equal size triangle. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So you got 16, and you got 3 that are shaded. So you're supposed to be 3 over 16. All right. Okay, total triangles is 16, total shaded is 3. Your fraction is 3 over 16, very easy. Next one. Oops, this one is already answered out. Can you show me how you get half of this shaded figure? Let me clear your previous answer. Okay. I'm going to explain if you actually can see the square. All you need to do is actually take all the shaded parts and then fill up in the available unshaded to see how many actually shaded. Okay, since they're all very odd shape. Okay, so if I put this one to here and I put this one to here, it covers up all my small little, this part is shaded already. Okay, let's just focus on this whole part.
My
the upper
parents
part.
teach me like, so you will take the thing and then put here and then you will color and then you take this part.
Yeah.
You
Yes,
put
take all of it. The
then
shaded
this
one
put
go on to
here. This put
correct.
segment.
Correct. And this one will put here. So you already cover your semicircle. So once you cover your semicircle, then put this one over here.
Then it will
Okay.
turn into 12.
And put this one over here. And it will cover the whole top part. So this whole top part will be all shaded. Okay. So basically, if you see, there will be two big triangle. Correct. And then this two big triangle, this whole thing will be shaded. Sorry, okay, so this two big triangle, the top part will be shaded.
And it will turn into 12.
So that will give me how many? There are two big triangles, so basically there's two triangles. So the whole shaded part is 1/2. Very good. Or you can get 6 parts over 12. Very good. So that's a very easy answer. Okay. Understand, Hardik? Yeah. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, you can try this one. My mouse sensor is a bit weird. Let me find a couple.
Finish.
Oh, this is much better. Okay, so 3, 4. What will it get to a denominator 8? So basically you times 2.
2 times 2. So this one also
Yes.
times. So 3 also times 2. Then it will turn 6.
Very good. So
Then
6 over 8.
6.
So if you get 6 over 8, how do you get 16? Times 3, right?
Yeah, 6 times
So
3 was
8
18.
also.
8 times 3 is 24.
Very good. Both of you write that same answer. Let me just write here first. So this is 24. So how do you get 36?
Then
Times?
divide
do you-
by 2. If you divide by 2, it will be 9. And then 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then 12 times 3 is 36. Then 9 times 3 is 27.
Good job. Very good. There's two workings here. So what you do is you take 24 divided by 2. Either that you also can take 24 divided by 2. Okay, you get 12. 12 times 3, you get
36.
yes. So same thing. What can I write? Okay. And then here, of course, right, I'm gonna text. Okay, there's something wrong with my mouse. Okay, so here 18 divided by 2, you get 9. So 9 times 3, you get 27. Both of you should get 27. So how do you get 40?
Sorry,
How do you
4
get
times
40?
4 times 10.
No, then you 36. So
Your answer?
27 divided by 9 equals to 3. Then 36 divided by 9 is 4. Then equals to 3 over 4. Then you round off. Then you add a 0 and a back equals to 30.
Okay, the last part, you
Times
guys
10.
are a bit tricky. So
Just
the first
times.
part is correct. Okay, 18 over 24. The last one's 27 over 30. The last one, so you got 3, 4, 3/4 times 10 each. Okay, so now 27 over 36. We know that it's actually 3/4 if you reduce to the lowest term. So the lowest term, all you need to do is times 10. Got it? And that's how you get 30 over 40. Okay? Good
Yes.
job.
Okay.
I'm clear. Next one.
Finish.
All right, hold on. Give me 1 second. Hi, Rashan. We have already started, so you might have to play back the video later, okay? We usually come in about 10-15 minutes before the lesson starts, so try to come earlier. All right, so let's take a look. Which one of the following values, find the following values without using a calculator. So you have 15. How do you get your denominator 30? So if you take 15 divide by, say, 3, very good. Divide by 3, divide by 3 on top as well. So if you divide by 3, you get 2, below you get 5. And then 5 times your 6 will get you 30. Then you times your 6 on top as well, you get 12. Okay, so your answer is 12 over 30. All right. Then second one. Rasha, if you want to write your answer at the side, also continue from B, also can, because we're doing B right now. Okay, so 2 times 4 will give you 8, very easy one. And then 4 times 4 will give you 16. All right, this is basically all your multiplier timetable. By now, your P4, you should be well versed all the way until 12, or if not 10. Okay, some 12, it depends some of you whether you memorize 12 or not. All right, now 8 over 10, divide by 2, you get 5. 8 divided by 2, you get 4. Very simple. 40 over 50, 40 divided by 10 give you 4. 50 divided by 5, divided by 10 give you 5. Okay, if you divide the same number, if you divide 10, the bottom, you have to divide 10 at the top as well. Okay, it has to be the same. All right, good job. Let's go on to the next one. A quick question. Rakshan, do you have tests coming up next week? Do you know? Class tests, all the term tests are basically due, should be a term test now next week or the following first week of March. Do you know what is the date of your test?